What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to separate audio tracks in OBS Studio. If you want more control over your audio while recording or streaming with OBS, separating audio tracks is the way to go. First, make sure you've updated OBS Studio to version 28 or newer. Newer versions have an improved feature set, including the ability to capture audio from individual applications. Now, in your OBS window, add a new scene by clicking the plus button in the Scene section and name it. Next, click on Settings on the right-hand side. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Audio section. Here, ensure that your desktop audio is set to default or whatever output you typically use. Then, set your preferred microphone under the Mic/Auxiliary Audio option. After you've made those selections, click Apply. Now, switch to the Output tab on the left-hand side of the Settings window. Under the Streaming section, make sure that the audio track is set to 1. Then, move to the Recording section, and I recommend enabling all available tracks for more flexibility. After that, click Apply to save the settings. The next step is to set up your audio sources. In the Sources section of OBS, click the plus button again and add a new application audio capture source. This feature allows you to capture audio from individual programs without mixing everything together. Once you've found the app whose audio you wish to separate, make sure to select it and click OK. Repeat this process for each application whose audio you want to separate. If an application doesn't show up, try playing some sort of audio from it and make sure OBS detects it. You may also need to restart the adding process if it doesn't appear immediately. Once you've added all of your sources, go to the audio mixer at the bottom of the OBS window. Here, you should see your individual audio sources listed. Next, click the 3 dots next to any audio source and select Advanced Audio Properties. In this window, you will see the different tracks listed for each audio input. At first, tracks may be randomly selected, so uncheck all boxes to clear them. After that, assign each audio source to its own track. This ensures that each audio source is recorded on a separate track. If you want to exclude desktop audio to avoid echoes, simply don't assign it to any track. After organizing your audio sources into different tracks, close the Advanced Audio Properties window. You can now go back to the audio mixer and adjust input levels for each audio source. Finally, if you want to add video, you can add your display capture or any other video source to your scene and start recording or streaming as usual. Once you're done and open the file in your editing software, you see each audio source as its own separate track, making it much easier to edit or adjust the sound individually. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.